Hey everyone, today I will show you how to stop WhatsApp saving media to gallery, and here's how it is done. For both iPhone and Android devices, open WhatsApp, launch the WhatsApp app on your device. Go to Settings. For iPhone, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right of your screen. For Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Access Chat Settings. Once in Settings, tap on Chats. Disable automatic media saving. For iPhone users, turn off the Save to Camera Roll option. For Android users, turn off the Media Visibility option. Effect of disabling. Photos and videos will no longer save automatically to your camera roll or gallery. You can still manually save specific media by long pressing on the image or video and selecting Save. Key benefits: save storage space on your device. Gives you control over what media to save. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.